Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can delete temporary file for your Windows in a very simple way. You just need to simply come over into your search option and then simply click on run, and you will get a run option over here. So if you click on it, it will be open run system over here. So you can simply search over here called temp and then click enter. It will open some of files that is not needed for your computer, but it's a temporary file for your computer. So if you select them all and then click delete, it will be all deleted from your computer. After that, you just need to go for a search option another time and then type for run and click enter. And you can see the run system is opened another time. And now what you need to do, you just simply click on this percentage, type temp and click another time in percentage and then click OK. You will get bunch of files over here and you can simply just delete them all by spacing and deleting your temporary file into your computer. So if I select them all and then if you just click delete, it will delete, and if you continue it will delete your file. Some of files will be not deleted, just skip them, and you can see some of file is not deleted, so keep them as it is, and there will be a lot of temporary files will be deleted from your computer in a very simple way. So this is how we can delete temporary file from your computer. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.